up fast these days. But not too grown up. She's got a new family. Wow, Rumi's doll has purple hair, just like her. Hey, it's Sussy. I guess he wants to play too. It's nice to share, if only Sussy knew that. Oh, don't cry over that malignant magpie. Besides, Mama Pinky knows just what to do. Keep all your hinges in one place. And a little splash of purple really ties things together. Look, it's like a little Rumi head. But now, why don't we make her a body? Couldn't be easier. Just string everything along. And she's really flexible. She can move like a jellyfish. Crank out the disco ball. It's a Sprunki pizza party. This is a real shindig. They're even staying up past 8. But you guys should really take care of your trash. Well, I guess it's up to our hosts to clean house. Do I need to ask if they even used coasters? Uh-oh, you're making Simon angry. You won't like him when he will become a Sprunki eater. Now I see why dogs don't like vacuum cleaners. You guys are about to have a little time out. But Gray doesn't want anyone thinking he's a bad host. So why don't we play some games to spring them? First, something spooky's going on at the play park. Oh, why didn't these kids just stay home and play video games? This is exactly why Inside became a thing. What a mean slide. I always liked swings better. And just look at those teeth. All the better to bite you with.
Hey.
This is a playground, so we need an old playground trick. Mints and soda. You can't beat a classic. And this ain't the sugar-free kind either. The baby Sprunkies are free. And we got a tooth. What's more relaxing than a trip on the lake? A little fishing, and mermaid catching too. We need to throw these guys back. Gray, we've got a new mission for you. Go down and help let them loose. After all, they won't make good fish sticks. Uh-oh, that net is made of tough material. Maybe this is a job for someone with fingers. It comes in handy when you need to use scissors. Courtesy of our old pal, Semi-Hemi. Time to put those chompers to good use. Now swim on out of here, unless you want to be sashimi. I wonder what the mermaids are gonna do now. Ooh, it looks like they want a little word with you. Remember, always pack your water wings. Here's the next item, straight from the sea, a shell. Speaking of mermaids, Vineria's looking like a chicken of the sea. And something tells me she's not the scariest thing in here. Don't worry, no monster can withstand the power of a flashlight. While we're on it, maybe Vineria will enjoy the company. Just make sure we caught them all. Next up, looks like your Hogwarts letter finally came. Just need leg of toad and rest of toad. A toadstool, some eye of newt, set to boil. Now let's bring on all mermaid friends. This witch's brew is like chicken soup for the soul. Just save some for our next item. Looks like we're heading back to the water. And just in time. We need to help clean up the lake. I think we know where to start. And who to stop. Naughty Mr. Black. Let's mess up your plumbing. Even Mario won't be able to help you now. In fact, all the gunk will go somewhere safe and secure. Wow, you even earned an extra life! But now, let's clear up all of this litter. You know, I never knew so many things could be magnetic. Well, if it cleans up the lake, I'm not gonna complain.
Huh?
Just keep an eye on your bait. Don't want to hurt the fish. Unless it's lunchtime. Where are we on that sashimi idea? Guess there really are plenty of fish in the sea. We've got heart, in more ways than one. Who needs the sea when we've got a winter wonderland? Just make sure you're properly dressed first. Uh-oh, winter just freezes in the snow, ironically. Maybe this stick could help. Maybe not. Oh no, we have to hurry before winter turns into an ice cone. We should make sure that everything is safe around here. Uh-oh, this looks like a job for our trusty mallet. When it comes to reindeer, I'll stick with Rudolph. Usually, third time's the charm around here. We need to heat things up around here. Or we'll need to change Gray's name to Blue. Gray is gray again, but let's save some water. Once again, a little water is the solution.
Ooh.
There's so much cool stuff, from ice cream to penguins. But let's focus. We need to find Winter. Ooh, looks like Santa needs to pick up Frosty. We found Winter, and she's got a foxy new attitude. How unique! We've got a new snowflake. All these items combined will get Simon back to normal.
Huh?
Okay, you've spent enough time out. You're free to go. Want to have a basement party? No? Then we might as well head upstairs. Watch your step. Oh no, not this again. Come on, everyone. Let's all lend a hand to pick things up. See? Cleaning can be fun. And so is avoiding Simon's wrath. What a clever tiger, goblin, kitty thing. Rumi has so many skills. Who knew paper folding was one of them? We can use it to make anything, like the Sprunki's own DERPY. In fact, they can each get a DERPY. Ha! Everyone gets a DERPY. Since the gang's all here, let's race them. Come on, little DERPYs. You've got the tiger spirit. In fact, you might actually be tiger spirits. It's a tie! Everyone's a winner when Derpy's around.
Ooh.
Here, guys, we've got a special sleeping nook for you. What? You need a lullaby? Well, Rumi is a singer. Oh, it's the atmosphere. You want a cooler bed. Well, we're all out of race car beds. I checked. But that derpy-shaped piece of cardboard might help. All we need now is a paintbrush.
Huh?
No, a paintbrush. No, a paintbrush. That's it.
Ooh.
Don't be blue, unless you're derpy. Then it's on brand. The same also applies to the Smurfs. Next, we'll need a sock scribe? Oh, I see what you guys did there. Either way, we can use it to make pillows.
Huh?
Hey, Mr. Rooster needs our help. All part of the K-pop demon hunter's job.
Bye-bye.
And this bed could use this stylish chain. Derpy ain't got that thing if we ain't got that swing. Come on, Sprunkies, enjoy your new bed and ambiance. Oh, this place is really coming together, but it still needs something. The remote. Let's just watch videos on your phone. Hopefully nothing happens when your back is turned. Oh no! The Sprunkies are out and about! Yeah, Rumi, I'd come back if I were you. Oh no! They broke the TV! Sure, online videos are funnier. And far better written. But still, it's TV! Maybe you Sprunkies can fix it before she gets back. Something tells me that some cardboard will save the day. Not sure what Rumi's up to, but she might be a while. That should give you plenty of time to fix things. Add a few stickers and it'll look just like a TV. Stand it up and add a nice background. Ooh, you're gonna put on a show. Just in time, Rumi's found the remote. It's time to play the music. It's time to light the lights. It's time to raise the curtains on the Sprunki show tonight. Come on, Sprunkies. Rumi's got a treat for you. We've got lollipops, one for each of you. All of your favorite flavors, cherry, melon, and purple. Oh no, poor Simon. He dropped his lollipop. Oh, don't cry. I'm sure we can clean it up. Careful now, we don't want it to melt. But this gives me an idea. Trace out the shape. Look, it's Pinky. 2 for the price of 1. Cut them out. Fold her up, and she can hold the candy for you.
Ooh.
In fact, let's make one for each of you. Oh, naughty Sprunkies. You guys need a bath. What? Don't tell me you're dry clean only. Don't worry, we've got Color Guard. Ah, a banana peel. Oldie, but a goodie. That loofah should come in handy. Like I always say, lamination solves all life's problems. I really do say that, by the way. We'll give the Sprunkies a demonstration. Now they'll know it's fun to get clean. Almost as fun as watching internet videos. Sure, slime's fun and all, but there's a time and a place. And that place is not on your antennae! Okay, that did the trick. Rub-a-dub-dub, 3 Sprunkies in a tub. And soon, they'll be good as new. Now we'll need to dry you off. Don't worry, we know how to keep you warm.